Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the most important MCQs for FSSAI CBT exam of CFSO and TO. It is a set 2, set 1, link in description. So let's start. Question 1. Thermo processing done at high pressure is called A. Retort packaging, B. Blanching, C. High pressure processing, D. Pulse electric field. The answer is A. Retort packaging. Question 2. Which chemical is released in the body in response to allergen? A. Histamine, B. Epinephrine, C. Thyroxine, D. Serotonin. The answer is A. Histamine. Question 3. Packaging of food in sterile packaging material is called as A. Sterile packaging, B. Aseptic packaging, C. Septic packaging, D. Fertile packaging. The answer is B. Aseptic packaging. Question 4. What is the use of sodium bicarbonate? A. Humectant, B. Preservative, C. Leavening agent, D. Stabilizing and emulsifying agent. The answer is C. Leavening agent. Question 5. Which method is used for altering environmental conditions in which spoilage microorganisms are unable to grow in the food? A. Preservation, B. Fortification, C. Sterilization, D. Sanitation. The answer is A. Preservation. Question 6. The transfer of harmful microorganisms from one item of food to another vice versa as a food non-food surface such as human hand equipment or utensil is known as A. Contamination, B. Spoilage, C. Cross-contamination, D. Poisoning. The answer is C. Cross-contamination. Question 7. What happened to the can of canned foods at high altitude? A. Contract, B. Expand, C. No change, D. Bacteria are destroyed. Answer is B. Expand. Question 8. Which term is applied to all stomach and intestinal disturbance due to the food contaminated with certain microorganisms or to their toxin? A. Food allergy, B. Food poisoning, C. Food infection, D. Food spoilage. The answer is food poisoning. Question 9. What is the importance of freezing food? A. To kill bacteria, B. Seize multiple link bacteria, C. Preserving vitamins, D. To kill virus. Answer is B. To seize multiplying bacteria. Question 10. The danger zone in the food preparation referred refer to temperature between A 0 to 14 Fahrenheit, B 14 to 140 Fahrenheit, C 140 to 118 Fahrenheit, D above 180 Fahrenheit. The answer is B 40 to 140 Fahrenheit. Question 11. Technology of processing of frozen peas is called A. Freeze drying, B. IQF, individual quick freezing, C. Freezing, D. Coating. The answer is individual quick freezing. Question 12. Another terms for cold sterilization is A. Pasteurization, B. Intradation, C. Freezing, D. Blanching. The answer is B. Intradation. Question 13. What is the time temperature combination create milk at high temperature short time? A. 63 degrees Celsius 145 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, B. 72 degrees Celsius 161 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds, C. 89 degrees Celsius 191 Fahrenheit for 1 second, D. 90 degrees Celsius 194 Fahrenheit for 0.5 second. The answer is B. 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Question 14. SOP stand for A. Standard operating procedure, B. Small outline package, C. Standard of practice, D. None of the above. The answer is A. Standard operating procedure. Question 15. Cutting board must be sanitized with a chemical sanitizer, B. Chlorine bleach, C. Detergent, D. None of the above. The answer is B. Chlorine bleach. Question 16. Receiving the temperature of chilled food should be at or below A. 7 degrees Celsius, B. 5 degrees Celsius, C. 3 degrees Celsius, D. 6 degrees Celsius. The answer is B. 5 degrees Celsius. Question 17. HTST with respect to pasteurization is A. High temperature short time treatment, B. High temperature short time, C. High temperature storage test, D. None of the above. The answer is B. High temperature short time. Question 18. Pasteurization is done to kill A. Selective microorganism, B. All microorganisms, C. Yeast, D. Yeast and its spore. The answer is A. Selective microorganism. Question 19. At that temperature should you keep frozen food? A. 4 degrees Celsius, B. 0 degrees Celsius, C. minus 18 degrees Celsius. D. 10 degrees Celsius. The answer is C. Minus 18 degrees Celsius. Question 20. 20. Who developed the canning process? A. Nicholas Apparatus. B. Nicholas Fleming. C. Charles Darwin. D. Basil Pascal. The answer is A. Nicholas Apparatus. Question 21. Elimination of all form of bacteria is called A. Pasteurization. B. Sterilization. C. Blanching. D. Pasteurization. The answer is B. Sterilization. Question 22. What helped the maintaining the pH? A. Buffering agent. B. Sequestration. C. Anti-caking agent. D. Anti-foaming agent. The answer is A. Buffering agent. Question 23. What is the primary purpose of blanching food? A. Cleaning the food. B. Preservation. Prevent pest infection. C. Inactive enzyme in food. D. Food from drying. The answer is C. Inactive enzyme in food. Question 24. What add to food before freezing commercially to protect quality? A. Vitamin C. B. Ascorbic acid. C. Water. D. Sugar. The answer is B. Ascorbic acid. Question 25. What is the ability to trace the history, use of location of entry by the meaning of record information for the product? It refers to origin of ingredient, history of process applied, distribution, and location of product after delivery. A. Best before. B. Used by. C. Traceability. D. Nutritional labeling. The answer is C. Traceability. For more video, link in description. For daily updates and study material, our Telegram and Instagram channel. So subscribe our channel, share with your friend. Thank you.